Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today is our online English literature class and today we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Sona's Adventure. Now children, today I will explain you the story in short, or you can say that I will give you an introduction of the story so that it will be very easy for you all to understand that what is in this story. Okay, so listen to this video very carefully children. Okay, now children, please take out your buzzword English literature reading book. Okay, and open it to page number 79, that is Sona's Adventure, and turn the page to page number 80. Okay, and this is a picture composition story. Okay, इसमें आपको pictures देख के story समझ आएगी. So please look to this video and listen to this video very carefully. Okay, now children, this is a story of a mother camel and her daughter whose name was Sona. This is mother camel and her daughter जिसका नाम सोना है. Okay, now what happened one day, they were both walking along the desert. ये दोनों desert में walk कर रहे थे. And what is a desert children? Where there is in the desert there is very hot weather and there is only sand. You cannot see water. Very little water is available there and all over there is sand. Okay, so one day they were both walking along the desert and suddenly Sona felt very thirsty. Sona को प्यास लगी, उसको पानी पीना था. So her mother, she asked her mother for water. Okay, then what happened children? Her mother told her that if you want to drink water, so you can search for water where there are trees, because in desert area children you will not find water everywhere. Okay, where there are trees water will be available only that side. जहाँ पे भी trees होंगी वहीं पर पानी आपको मिलेगा desert में. Okay, so Sona walked fast towards the trees. As you can see in this picture, there are many trees. Okay, there are many plants also. So where there are trees and plants, there is availability of water in the desert area. Okay, so Sona and her mother walked very fast towards the trees in search of water. Then what happened children? They both drank a lot of water. उन लोगों ने बहुत सारा पानी पिया. As you can see, they are drinking water from the pond. So उन्होंने बहुत सारा वहाँ से पानी पिया. And who was seeing them? A crow. A crow was watching them. Okay, crow was sitting on the tree and watching them. Okay, he watched them from a nearby tree and he asked them that you drank more than any other animal. आप पानी, उसने क्रो ने कैमल से क्या पूछा कि आपने पानी इतना सारा पिया कि कोई और एनिमल इतना पानी नहीं पीता. और आई एम श्योर दैट यू कैन ड्रिंक ऑल द वाटर इन द पूल. आप तो पूरा पानी भी पी सकते हो जितना पानी पूल में है. तो व्हाट डिड शी रिप्लाई? व्हाट डिड सोनाज मदर रिप्लाई? नो वी कुडंट, बट यू आर राइट. हम पूरा पानी नहीं पी सकते, लेकिन आप सही हो कि हमें ज़्यादा पानी पीना होता है. हम ज़्यादा पानी पीते हैं क्योंकि वी स्टोर वाटर इन आवर स्टमक. अब कैमल्स चिल्ड्रन, कैमल्स की खासियत क्या होती है? दैट दे लिव इन डेजर्ट. ओके, वो डेजर्ट एरिया में होते हैं तो वहाँ पे पानी की बहुत कमी होती है. डेजर्ट में पानी बहुत कम होता है, तो वहाँ पे एनिमल्स, वहाँ पे मेन एनिमल जो आपको मिलेगा वो कैमल होता है. तो कैमल की खासियत होती है कि वो बहुत सारा पानी एक बार में पी के और उसको अपने अंदर स्टोर करते हैं, जिससे कि उनको आगे के कुछ दिनों तक पानी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े. ओके, तो मदर कैमल ने क्रो को क्या बताया? दैट वी स्टोर वाटर इन आवर स्टमक, वी यूज इट व्हेन वी डोंट फाइंड वाटर. हम उसको तभी यूज करते हैं जब हमें कहीं और पानी नहीं मिलता. और फिर उसने बताया कि हमने लास्ट टाइम पानी 5 days पहले पिया था. वी लास्ट ड्रैंक वाटर 5 days ago. हमने पानी 5 दिन पहले पिया था. ओके, सो द क्रो वॉज शॉक्ड टू हियर दैट 5 days. Then mother camel, what happened children then? Mother camel sat down in the shade of the tree. As you can see, mother camel is sitting under the shade of the tree, and Sona went to look around the new place. Okay, Sona अपना आगे पूरे फील्ड में घूमने के लिए चली गई. Now turn the page children. Now next what happened? When Sona was roaming around in the field, other animals came to see these strange animals. Now other animals came and they saw that they are looking very strange. Camels were looking very strange. So why they were looking very strange? Because they were having a hump. They were having long flat feet. Okay, so that's why they laughed on her. All the other animals started laughing. वो उसके ऊपर, सोना के ऊपर हंसने लगे. और ये देख के सोना को बहुत बुरा लगा. She felt very bad and she started crying, and she came to her mother and told her what had happened. Okay, she told her mother. उसने अपनी मम्मी को सब कुछ बताया कि मम्मा, मेरे साथ सारे एनिमल्स ने इतना बुरा बिहेव किया, सब मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे थे, और हम ऐसा क्यों है? तो उसकी मम्मा ने क्या बोला? She told her that they laughed at you because they don't know how special we are. She told her that other animals laughed at you because they don't know the importance of us. They don't know how important we are and how special we are. Okay, other animals cannot store water in their hump, but we can store the water. And when we get nothing to eat, this fat helps us to not feel hungry. जो कैमल्स के ऊपर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा चिल्ड्रन, जो कैमल्स के ऊपर एक हम्प होता है, उससे कैमल्स को वो किस लिए यूज में आता है? जब कैमल्स को खाना नहीं मिलता बहुत टाइम तक, तो दिस हम्प इज वेरी यूजफुल टू देम टू नॉट फील हंग्री. ओके, एंड आवर लॉन्ग लेग्स, वी कैन वॉक फास्ट विद आवर लॉन्ग लेग्स. देन शी एक्सप्लेन्ड हर. Then mother camel explained her daughter that our long legs are very useful because we can walk fast with them. If our feet were not round and flat, they would have sink deep into the sand. वो सैंड में अंदर धंस जाते अगर हमारे फीट राउंड और फ्लैट नहीं होते. ओके, सो आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस importance of the camels, Sona was very happy now. Okay, then come to the next page. Okay, then next day what happened? Sona saw a fig tree. Okay, and she lifted her head up and pulled down few figs and tasted them. Okay, some figs, उसको fig का ट्री दिखा और उसको वो खाना था, तो उसने अपना हेड थोड़ा सा ऊपर किया और सारे फिग्स खा लिए जितने उसको खाने थे. एंड शी सेड दैट यम, दे आर सो टेस्टी. ओके, सो द अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू ईट द फ्रूट, बट because the branches were very high, so they could not reach to it. Then what happened children? Billy the goat climbed the tree, okay, to get some fruits from the tree, and he stretched his neck to reach the branch. वो अपनी ब्रांच से जिस ब्रांच पे खड़ा था, बिली जो गोट था, वो जिस ब्रांच पे खड़ा था, he wanted to get the fruits from that branch, so he stretched himself. Okay, उसने अपनी तरफ को बहुत खींचा अपने आप को, एंड अपने आप को ज़्यादा खींचने की वजह से क्या हुआ कि ब्रांच टूट गई एंड बिली गोट जो है वो पॉन्ड में गिर गया. एंड नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड चिल्ड्रन? अदर एनिमल्स जो उसके फ्रेंड्स थे वो उसके पास नहीं पहुंच सकते थे क्योंकि पूल बहुत गहरा था और वो बहुत छोटे थे हाइट में. सो व्हाट हैपेंड चिल्ड्रन? व्हेन सोना सॉ दिस, when Sona saw that Billy Goat was sinking in the pond, वो उसमें डूब रहा था, तो उसको बचाने के लिए she went into the pool and Billy Goat climbed on her back. वो अपनी पीठ पे बिली गोट को बैठा के बाहर निकाल के ले आई. और ये चीज़ देख के सारे जितने भी एनिमल्स थे सब बहुत खुश हुए और बिली गोट ने भी उसको सॉरी बोला. बिली गोट सेड सॉरी टू सोना बिकॉज why she said sorry? She said sorry because earlier she said very bad words to her. She insulted her. उसने उसको बहुत बुरा भला बोला था, उसके लुक्स के लिए उसको इंसल्ट किया था, इसलिए उसने सॉरी बोला एंड उससे फ्रेंड्स बनने के लिए कहा और अपने साथ खेलने के लिए बोला. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट यू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी? Can anyone tell me? Always remember that we should not make fun of anyone. हमें कभी भी किसी का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. We all are special, okay? हम सब अपने अपने तरह से स्पेशल हैं and we should be good to one another and make them feel loved. हमें सबके साथ अच्छा बिहेव करना चाहिए और सबके साथ प्यार से रहना चाहिए और किसी का भी हमें मजाक नहीं बनाना चाहिए. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this story, and with this story, children, I am going to give you word meanings as an assignment. So you have to complete those word meaning in your notebooks. Okay? Now I will explain you the word meanings. Now children, as you can see on your screen, today we will do word meanings as an assignment. Okay? So you have to do this in your English literature notebook. You all know that. आपको अपनी English literature की copy में करना है. Okay? So you will turn a new page. Okay? Turn to new page and you will write down today's date. That is 31/8/2020. Then you will give the heading. In the first line, lesson 7, Sona's adventure. Okay? Then in the next line, you will give the heading part A, word meanings. Okay? Now, first word is desert. Meaning is a large area of land covered with sand. Desert क्या होता है? एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया, लैंड का, जमीन का एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया जो सैंड से कवर्ड होता है. ओके? नेक्स्ट इज look around. To walk around a place. Look around मतलब आसपास की जगह पे घूमना और उसको देखना. ओके? थर्ड, sink. SINK, sink. To go downwards. In Hindi you can say डूबना. Sink मतलब डूबना. ओके? To go downwards. जब कोई डूबता है तो वो नीचे, पानी के नीचे जाता चला जाता है, तो that is the same thing. To go downwards. Is that clear, children? Now fourth last word is stretch. Stretch meaning is to pull something. किसी चीज को खींचना. Okay? So I hope you all have understood these 4 word meanings. Very easy word meanings, and I hope you will all complete this work by today itself. Okay, children? And those who have completed all the work, the previous work, please get your copies corrected. You can come from Monday to Friday to school with your copies. Okay? And you can get it corrected by me. Is that clear, children? So timings for copy correction is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? So you can come to school and get your copies corrected. Now I hope you all have understood this. And with this video, I am giving you the assignment also to write in your notebooks word meanings. So you will do this work today. Okay? Till my next video, children. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And stay at home. Stay safe.